Good afternoon, guys. August 27th, 2026. So you're here, I'm going to do a review on this Bostitch stapler. Very handy tool to have in any household or office or school. It's metal construction, all metal construction. I know there's plastic ones, but I like the metal ones. I don't play around with the plastic ones. And these metal ones aren't that much more expensive, so I think it's worth the investment because it'll last longer. They are a little heavier, but I mean, really, it's not that big of a deal, at least to me. So, yeah, it is a full strip stapler. Takes the standard 1/4-inch staples. If I can get it out here. So, yeah, so takes a full strip of these, load them in, close it up. Ooh, that's pretty spring-loaded. It opens up to tack to the wall, or a cork board if you need. Also has permanent staples, or temporary staples. Have that option. I leave it on the permanent because that's what I use. And then this has more features than just your standard stapler. It has a staple remover that folds out. So you can remove staples. It actually works fairly well, and I'll demonstrate that. And last but not least, it actually has storage for extra staples in the bottom. So you can store a full strip. This one's all broken up, but this is a full strip. You can actually store 2 full strips of staples in here, stacked opposite of each other, and that just goes in there. And you can use it like this. You can also stand up. You can see that. And I can stand up freely. Mine's a little worn, but it still works really good. I've had this for about 6 years. It's a really good stapler. It says it can staple anywhere from 2 to 25 sheets. And I will test that and demonstrate that for you. So, without further ado, I have 25 sheets of paper here. And I will make sure that I can staple them. I can get them all lined up here. So, 25 sheets. Not a whole lot of effort. Went through pretty well. Went through the other side. And yeah. So that's 25 sheets right there. And then I'm going to demonstrate the staple remover on this set here. Apologize, knocked something off. So I'm going to flip this out. And then you're supposed to take it. Let's see if I can get this lined up here. Supposed to take it and stick it underneath like that. And it's supposed to just pull it out like that. And that works pretty well. So, yeah, I like this. It's a really good stapler. I've had it about 6 years. I bought it in February of 2020. And yeah, it's a really good stapler. This comes in a couple different colors. I think it comes in a magenta color and a blue color, a silver color. This one I believe was called gunmetal gray or whatever. So, and it was about $25 on Amazon, but the price varies. It may be even cheaper right now. And yeah, you can get this anywhere. I believe Walmart, Staples, Office Depot. Yeah, so really good stapler. I really like it. Once again, now this is about 10 sheets of paper here. And once again, works really well. Went through the other side. No issues at all. Very happy. So yes, if you were in the market for a new stapler, I think you can't go wrong with this. I think it'll last you a long time. It's very heavy duty. It's not going to break on you. At least I would hope it wouldn't. And yeah, it's just very sturdy, very comfortable, very solid. This is all rubberized here, so it feels really good. Got the anti-skid on the bottom, so it can sit on your desk and not move. I mean, I'm pushing down, I can't move it around. It's truly an anti-skid, and even if you set it down on the side, it's got these little rubber spots here. It shouldn't move. And if you stand it up, not only keeps it from not moving, but it keeps it from marking up your desk. So you're not going to scratch your desk, you're not going to mark anything up. So yeah, this is a really good one. I think it's good for, you know, home use, office use, and teacher use. Certainly if you're a teacher, I would get a metal stapler. If you're a teacher, if you work in an office setting and you use them really hard, get a metal one. Don't get a plastic one. It's not worth it. Unless you truly cannot handle the weight of a metal one for whatever reason, dexterity issues, arthritis, whatever. I mean, if you don't have those issues, I would highly recommend a metal one. It's a better investment. They're not that much more expensive. They're just gonna last longer and be more resilient and tougher. You can absolutely beat the tar out of these things and not have any issues. And I know that because I know teachers in my life that have had metal staplers for 25, 30 years, and they've used them hard and never had any problems. So get the metal one. But other than that, that is the review of the Bostitch standard stapler, full strip, up to 25 sheets. And yeah, if I find the model number of this, I will put this in the title, put that in the title of this video. But yeah, you can't go wrong with these. Buy it. You won't regret it. I absolutely love this and I would buy it again. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye.